Number 7. Botanical prints. Nature never goes out of style, and in 2025, botanical prints will make a big comeback. These prints, featuring everything from delicate ferns to bold tropical leaves, will bring a touch of the outdoors into your living space. They'll transform your home into a green oasis, even in the heart of the city. Coming in at number 6, geometric patterns. Bold and eye-catching geometric patterns will add a modern edge to any room. From abstract designs to intricate tessellations, these patterns will fill your walls with a sense of rhythm and balance, creating a space that's both dynamic and harmonious. Number 5. Vintage maps. Travel might still be on pause for many, but vintage maps offer a way to see the world without leaving your living room. Detailed and richly colored, these maps will infuse your walls with a sense of adventure and nostalgia, transporting you to different times and places. At number 4, textile art. Move over framed prints, textile art is taking over with their rich textures and intricate designs. Textile wall hangings will add a touch of warmth and luxury to your home. They'll transform your walls from mere backdrops into tactile works of art. Number 3, murals. Large-scale and immersive, murals will turn your walls into panoramic vistas. Whether they depict a tranquil forest or a bustling cityscape, these murals will transform your space, making every day feel like a new adventure. Number 2, metallic accents. Shimmering and sophisticated metallic accents will bring a touch of glamour to your walls. From gold leaf to hammered copper, these accents will catch the light and dazzle the eye, creating a space that's both luxurious and modern. And finally, at number 1, minimalist frames. Less is more, and in 2025, minimalist frames will be all the rage. Simple and sleek, these frames will let your art speak for itself, creating a clean, uncluttered look that's both timeless and contemporary. In conclusion, the top 7 wall decor trends for 2025 promise to bring a fresh and exciting twist to your home decor. From the lush greenery of botanical prints to the sleek elegance of minimalist frames, these trends offer something for everyone. They invite you to see your walls not just as surfaces, but as canvases for self-expression. So whether you're a die-hard decor enthusiast or just looking to spruce up your space, keep an eye out for these trends. They might just inspire your next home makeover.